Malimot ng tausay.
Ako sila lang yan. 83. 83? Oy, 83 daw. 83. 83?
Happy birthday po. God bless you. May you have many more. Oh, by the way, I'm Sharon. Nice to meet you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Nanay Julie. Kanta din. Happy birthday.
Jole,
Happy birthday.
Jole, happy tayo, Jole, happy tayo, Jole, happy tayo, Jole.
Happy birthday, Nanay Jolie. Wala kaming pera, kaya di kami makapunta. Happy birthday, Ma! Enjoy your day! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday, Nanay.
Happy birthday.
Continue to be kind, continue to touch other people's lives, and isang maligaya, mapayapa na kaarawan. Stay kind.
Ito, happy birthday, Nanay Julie.
I hope that on your special day, the same love, joy, and happiness that you bring to others will be brought to you as well. And God bless, and we wish you all the best.
Hi Nanay, happy birthday. Wishing you good health, more birthdays to come, and more blessings to come. Unfortunately, dili ko ka-attend sa imong celebration kay wala joy schedule karon weekend kay nanga-cancel ang trip nila due to the weather. Nag-try ko gribok pero Monday ra jud ang ila ang available. Again, happy birthday, Nay. Stay healthy and stay happy always. Thank you for always guiding us with your wisdom. Enjoy your birthday.
Go.
Hi, Nay! Happy birthday! We love you!
Happy birthday! It's your birthday! It's your day! Happy na birthday pa! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you! God bless you! Wish you all the best. Happy birthday!
This is Lonnie Misalucha. I just want to greet you a happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Nanay!
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Nanay! Happy birthday to you! Again. Happy birthday, Nanay! Happy birthday, Nanay! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Nanay! Happy birthday to you! Ay, naku. Why can't we just make it very simple, anak? I'm tired ba?
Yeah, give him more rest.
Ay, naku.
Never mind, we'll not do it then.
No, we need to do it, anak, because it's Nanay's birthday. Woo! Come on, do it again. Just say happy birthday, and then we'll sing.
birthday music, please.
Let's just say happy birthday, and then sing happy birthday, Nanay. That's it. Okay. Just put that, stand up in front of Kuya. That's it. Okay. Okay.
Happy birthday din ni Monay, og more blessings to comes, more birthday to comes also. Og amping na pirmi, bisita ra ko ni Maldiapon ug makauli ko. Thank you, Nay. Salamat. Og good health. God bless.
Happy birthday po. Sana makarating ako sa inyo kaarawan. Lagi po kayo mag-ingat. God bless you and more power. At lagi niyo po ingatan na inyong health.
Hi Nay, happy 83rd birthday. Unta, surprise ka na mo sa among plano ng gift sa imo. Unta, nalipay ka. O Nay, napwede ko bisita. Kuyog ni Mama karon. Kuan, unta din mo siya kasab-an, yaw-yawan, pahugasa rag plato. Okay ra ko na. And unta Nay, kuan kanang lipay ka karon og thank you po kay sa imong pagpadako sa muha sa ni Banban ug sa tanang apo nimo nga nag-agi sa imong mga bunal. Sa imong bunal og yaw-yaw. Ug unta kuan kanang taas pa imong kinabuhi. Dayon enjoy nimo imong adlaw karon sa imong taong natawan. Bye Nay, love you Nay.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Ayan, maingay kami dito kasi nagse-celebrate kami dahil birthday mo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday ha!
Happy birthday. May you have the best of everything you had in life. May you always be happy.
Hi, Nay. Happy birthday. I'm your kinakusgang accountant, Charles. Bitaw, Nay, thank you so much for being our strict nga nanay nga gi-mold us into a better, char. Bitaw, Nay, I'm so grateful for your life, long life, and for surviving all the things that never gonna be what you see and wanna eat banana tree. Bitaw, Nay, happy birthday, Nay. Love you.
Hello Nay. Birthday day Nay. Halos mga istorya. Pwede magpasalamat. Pasalamat ko kay hindi mo kong ginisip ng tarong. Kung hindi kayo na ng tarong, tanan imong gihatag para sa amuha. Sabi na sa kami mo nagigagaw. Mga ko lang yung may istorya agad kanunay. Para ni mo na is gamping ka kanunay. Ayaw patagag ka og tamis. Isang pingi mo ko galingon. And love kay ka na mo. Love kay ka na ko. Love kay ka na ko. Why maka-explain ko kung sa kadako ako pag-love sa imo anay. Malabi na ikaw ang napadako sa akuha. Ako ni tatay. Ako ni ang kulalal. Wiwiwi. Buboy. Ilalay ko mo. And uwi na kayo ko. Pero sige lang. Para magpunay sa taong special to gusto kinabuhi. Katod pa nila ang istorya dili man gani ko nimo dili man gikugikan sa imo physically, but imo gyapon kung gi-accept o imo gyapon gitrato as one sa imong mga anak, as one of your mga anak. For that, pasalamat ko and happy birthday. Wanggles na cute, dragon gani. So, moro to na happy birthday. So, ako pintura sa kamot. Yeah. Bye, Nay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ma, happy birthday. Magpakalig-on. Dayon, kuan, be happy always. Ayun na pag-on. Ayun na pag binalita ha. I love you ma. I love you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Ingat your life and be happy always.